Normally, when you go to college, after school, after completing school, you might be from state board or matriculation schools where you might not be that fluent in English, but then once you enter the college, then you realize that in college it's going to be in English. Everything is going to be in English. The people are going to talk English only. And you will get frightened just by looking at the CBSE students or the way they confidently talk. If you are that person, then this video is a must watch for you because I'm going to give you the best tips for you to speak English in college. You will never find steps like this which I'm going to tell you. You might have not heard also. Hello there, sir people, it's me Jai, watching me on the EXPOUND, and if you like my work, make sure you like this video and subscribe my channel because it will give me a little bit of motivation in making more videos for you. And at the end, I'm going to give you the bonus tip where even though nobody is interested in talking to you in English, this method, this technique will definitely help you because this is going to be really helpful. First point is try to absorb the students. Try to observe the people. So all you need to do is try listening and less talking in the beginning. It's college, dude, so obviously people are going to come from different places, different areas. Unlike in your school where the bajuwala friend was there in your school, 90% of the chance people won't be there in the college. You will be all on your own, you will be all alone. So at that time, you need to mingle with the people there. So at this time, you might not be good at English. At this time, because of the reason, they might not talk to you also. So all you need to do is try to understand their mindset. Try to understand how the way they are talking. Understand the way they think. So through this, you will be able to connect with them and then they will literally start talking to you. And at this time, if people are not matching with you, sometimes you might tell like, bro, this shirt is available in 200 rupees in my market. But then he might tell you that, bro, this is Scotch and soda shirt. And this might make him never talk to you again. So all you need to do is have patience, listen to the people and then start talking. Now I want you to mention some of the problems which you are facing when you are going to talk English in college or in class in the comment. And the next method is learning from subjects. People might take this lightly, but this is not like the way you are thinking. This is just like one stone for two mangoes. You can study the subjects also and you can learn English also from this. Yes, people might say like, yaar, I have been studying subjects throughout my school, mugging up and then writing exam. I can't do the same thing in college also. You might think like that, but in college, this is one of the best ways to learn English and start speaking also. So all you need to do is stop mugging up and writing it down in the exam. You're not in school anymore, you're in college. So all you need to do is either you follow my techniques, whatever I have been telling on my YouTube channel, or all you can do is take a book or the subjects whichever you like and read the book carefully or read the notes carefully and understand what is actually said in that concept or in that paragraph. After that, go to the exam and write it down like a story. Whatever things you have in your mind, write it down, everything in English. You might say like, I don't know to write English properly. It's okay, it's fine. You don't have any other option. You might have 6 semesters or 8 semesters. In this semesters, you have around 80 to 90 exams, including internal, external, semester exams and everything. If you write those all exams like a story, understanding and writing it as a story, then you will definitely be good at English when you finish your final semester exam. I guarantee you, if you try this, you will definitely be good at English. Next one is participate in competitions. Your college might be organizing many cultural events and many competitions and also inter-college competitions where you will be interacting with many of the other college students as well. At this time, just participate in the most of the things which you are able to do it. Even though if you don't know a single bit about the competition, you just give your name and attend that competition. It is so necessary to attend because you will be able to communicate with other people also, and you will be able to understand their thinking about, you will be able to know about them also. So all you need to do is try to communicate with the people who you meet in the college also. And the next and the final step which I believe in is stop talking in your native language. Yeah, I'm sounding like a teacher who will tell like stop talking in your native language, otherwise you have to give fine 5 rupees. But that is the best way, guys. You have to do that, because normally you talk native language in your house or with your local friends, but this is so much necessary because you will learn when you talk, and also you will have to prepare for your placements also, and you need to prepare for your interview, and in that interview you can't go and talk in your native language to the interviewer. He might think that you're not qualified since you don't know to talk even English properly. So the first thing they judge is whether you're fluent, whether you're confident in speaking, whether you're confident in communication skills, because if that is good, then only you will be able to deliver your ideas in the first place. So all you need to do is try most of the time to talk in English only. Yeah, there will be people who will be like, you know too much English, talking English all the time. Just ditch their thoughts, and you have to concentrate on your own career, on your own skills, because they are not going to come to you till the end of your life. So that is just a distraction for your way in learning. If you are just thinking about what other people are thinking about you, then you will be just on that bottom stage, and you will never be able to improve your English speaking skills. So if you want to be successful in your interview, and if you want to be successful in getting a job, if you want to live a successful life, you have to start speaking English. You have to start having a good communication skills also. Now it's time for a bonus tip. So normally, even though people are not interested in talking to you in English, you have this option. That is talking to a call center, talking to a person who is working in a call center. So normally you can just call them at any time, or you can ask the doubt to them how much ever long you want to talk to them. So now all you need to do is call to the call center, and one or the other person will pick the call. Obviously, you just have to select the language. Just select the language as English and start asking whatever doubt you have. Even though your English is not good, you can start talking to them. And I have seen many people who have improved their English through this, just by talking in the cell phone with the call center people who are working there. So you can also try that, and you can just talk to how much ever time you want. Whatever doubts you have, you can just ask them. So I would request you to definitely try this method, because this is going to be really helpful for you. You can trust me. So that's all for today, guys. This is all I want to tell you in today's video. If you have any other queries, you can mention down in the comment. And thank you so much. Until the next video. Bye. And keep supporting. You need to keep on talking in English. No. You might say like, yaar, I have been